Bitcoin's alive, what you gon' do? Mempool fees are high. Ordinal. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. It's a revolution, ayy. Bitcoin is the one, no substitution, ayy. With Shizzy and Yagobi, it's Ordinal Revolution.
Welcome back to another episode of Ordinal Revolution. What's up, guys? Got an amazing video for you guys today. We're really going to break down Fluid and everything you guys need to understand and what's going on. What's the newest updates and kind of how can you guys participate in this insane price action that's happening on Cardano?
Yep. Guys, Fluid, if you've been watching our show, you know that we've been a partner with Fluid for a long time. We were lucky enough to have them on a Spaces and just recognize their talent early on, reached out to them and we partnered with them, and we've seen their journey the entire way. These guys are experienced, talented UTXO devs that came from Cardano and came over to Bitcoin once they realized that people were building over here and they wanted to be a part of this innovation, this Bitcoin renaissance. And they started building right away. They built a borrowing and lending platform on Bitcoin Layer 1, and they also built a native DEX swap for Runes. And then their latest addition, which in my opinion is the best, is the staking vaults, right? So they've been showcasing their talent this entire time. And what this video is for today, what it really, the point of making this is, first of all, it's Fluid Fridays. We always want to give you guys the latest and greatest updates of the Fluid platform, but to really give you guys some updates on things that you need to know about. Like, for the first example would be making sure you get your doggo to the moon staked before Friday's deadline, right? And then we're going to go over what the staking vaults do, what they mean whenever we look at them, and we're also going to go over the Fluid token hitting new all-time high and some other things about the passes. But let's jump into the staking vaults if you don't mind, and we can kind of show and break it down for them.
Yep, of course. First thing you want to do is go to FluidTokens.com. You want to launch Bitcoin because obviously we're Bitcoiners here. But then you want to go to staking, which is the third one over. You guys see the swap, lending, staking, dashboard. We want to go staking. You want to go to Dog because these are the only two vaults that are open right now. You have Dog and you have Omen. So right now, if you're interested in staking, I think your Omen ordinal, you can actually earn OMNI. Which I believe is a rune, but also a Cardano token. I'm not 100% sure on this, but you can definitely stake it and find out. But Dog, right? So if you want to go, let's just say you want to stake Dog, right? So it'll unlock December 31st, 2024, basically, New Year's Eve. So you will basically come here and you'll go to unstake. So you go to your staked, and your dog will be here, and you'll unstake, and then your dog will come right back to you. But you can earn while you wait. So let's say you have no interest in selling your dog. Why wouldn't you do this, right? So you would come here and you would stake it, and then you would put the amount of dog you want to put in there. Just make sure you're staking enough dog to where you're earning enough to where you're paying the fee, because you do have a fluid fee. So just make sure you guys are aware. So when you go click your wallet, just make sure everything looks good. You don't want to pay more in fee if you're just going to stake a little bit of dog, because you're not going to earn that much, right? So you get, because you want to be a part of that pool in a way to where you're earning. So do the math. Everything, all the information is here for you to do your math. Spend some time with it, and if it's something you want to do, and not financial advice whatsoever, but if it's something you want to do, then do it. But we just want to make sure you guys are aware of the options that you have. And the next thing here would be, are you good here? Everything else?
Yeah. Just make sure that you guys hit that deadline for adding your dog to earn the dog and Memento Mori tokens for that. And Shizzy went over that. But yeah, I think we're good here. We can jump into the Fluid token. Guys, we don't typically hit on tokens of our partners, right? But this one's a bit unique because they already had a token on I should say a token that they launched on Cardano, and since they are building in the Bitcoin ecosystem, they will have a rune. But you guys got to know that this is going to be the same token, from a one-to-one bridging sense, right? So you look at this and you're like, okay, guys, they're Cardano builders. right? So how can I buy this token? How can I have exposure to this Cardano token without going to Cardano, using MinSwap, or buying on centralized exchange? And we have the solution for that. But before we do that, let's talk about their token, because when we talk about tokens, we're not saying buy this token. We will never ever say that. That is not what we're doing here. We're just showing you kind of the growth and what they have accomplished by coming over and being well-rounded, building on Bitcoin and Cardano. So if you want to kind of get into kind of their journey, I guess, of their token, we can do that.
100%. So we can take it all the way back to the year. They came out in February. So the token launched, and it launched, everything was really bullish. Like everything was bullish in February. So it launched, it did really well. But just like any launch, just like if Bitcoin goes sideways for 6 months, it kind of fell down, right? So as you can see here, in I want to say July and August, it was just kind of down only. And we kind of got in this patch, but then the bounce back was just incredible. It was just upward momentum. I mean, we went from around 7 cents all the way up to a new all-time high of 37. I think I even got to like almost 40 cents, 45 cents, something like that. Something crazy. So it's huge. And the fact that this token is not only a Cardano token, it is going to be a rune 1-to-1. So there isn't going to be additional supply added, nothing like that. So one FLDT token will equal one fluid rune. That rune has not been etched yet, but it will be, and when the bridge opens. But there is other ways to get this, but we're gonna get that in a second. But what's your opinion on this? Came out high and really bottomed out, and then really came back with a kick here.
So I think this started to see really the uptrend once people recognize what Fluid was about. We have Fluid Fridays every Friday, so we were giving them exposure and really teaching the Bitcoin ecosystem, because we don't have much of an audience from the Cardano ecosystem. Maybe that's grown a little bit because of Fluid and some of the more recent news headlines about Cardano and Bitcoin kind of having this like crossover builder type of energy recently. But I think it's a mixture of that, right? People realize that Fluid is actually building over here. They're innovative. They're the only ones that have retail staking vaults right now on Bitcoin layer 1, mind you. I mean, they're doing DeFi now. Liquidium's doing like borrow and lending DeFi, but no one's doing staking DeFi like Fluid. And I think once people realized that, and they started getting their TVL up high, because they got to $500,000 in TVL and staking vaults, and I think that's higher now. They continually increase. People start paying attention, and they're like, "Oh wow, they've actually built on Cardano as well." So I think some of the exposure from Bitcoin also had people go over and buy on MEXC and maybe MinSwap, but also the Cardano people probably got really bullish on them too, because they're building in two of the hottest ecosystems right now. Obviously, Bitcoin is the mother chain, but then you have Cardano that's been getting up a lot of attention because they are trying to act as like a servicing layer for Bitcoin. So that is my explanation on why they've been really kind of seeing this uptrend.
Yeah, 100%. And if you look here, their market cap, I don't know if you can see this, but the market cap's only 6.84 million. Their FTV is 37 million, but there's a lot of tokens that are locked up for a long time. But the market cap here, the realistic market cap is 6.8. And I think, I don't know, I think that's super low for a project that's building on Bitcoin and Cardano. And only reason we're bringing this to your attention is because this is something that we are definitely looking into, and we're definitely bullish on it. And this, again, just take it with a grain of salt, right? Because you have to do your own due diligence. But we're just showing you what we've come up with when basically checking out a token.
Yep. And so let's say, Shizzy, I want to get exposure, but I don't want to open a Cardano wallet, and I don't want to go on MinSwap. How can I have exposure to Fluid tokens from a fungible token standpoint before the rune launches?
Yeah, so I mean, the best way to do that would be to come over here to Fluid and need these Fluid passes, right? Their point right now it's 0.001. I think that's around, I want to say $90, maybe $100 for one of these. And right now, if you go back to Fluid, go to staking, you can see that they had a pass vault for these passes already. And I want to say it is right here. So these were already locked up. So this unlocks December 9th, 2024, which is a week and a half. So you definitely want to obviously you can't do anything yet, but this one unlocks. So this vault is earning Bitcoin and Bitcoin only. So this will pay out to these people, and then they're going to open up another vault. That is the vault that is going to give you FLDT rune. So if you do have those passes, and you will come here and you're going to stake them. I recommend, not financial advice, is if you buy to buy a couple, because the more you put in, you pay one fee. If you put one in, you pay one fee. If you put two in, you still pay that same exact fee. You put 9 in, you still pay the same exact fee that you would if one. So the more you put in, obviously the more you're going to earn, and also the less fee you pay. If you do one and then you go get another one and get another, you're going to keep paying the fee over and over. It's best to do it all in one shot to make sure you have all of them. And then he usually gives you about a week, 10 days of the time. And keep watching with us. When the vault comes out, we'll break it down for you. He was telling us that the vault could open the end of December or the first couple of weeks of January. So it's going to be definitely soon. So you definitely want to be prepared if you're interested.
Yeah. So, basically what was broken down there just now by Shizzy was that with these fluid passes, you're going to be able to earn the FLDT rune before TGE on the Bitcoin side, right? So that's how you can have exposure before anybody else does and purchases on the secondary market, right? So you're going to be able to stake these and earn that token. So that is the only way as of right now. But again, if you paid attention and watched our show for a long time, or I would say past 6 months, you would have known that you could have easily earned these passes by airdrop if you use their deck swap, which a lot of our watchers have done that. So they're about to earn the actual FLDT token by just paying attention. Yeah. And so I'm so happy for our community because this is an opportunity, right? So for you that might not have paid attention during that time or just didn't know who we were, you have an opportunity to grab these passes on secondary on magiceden.io and participate if you would like. Not financial advice, of course, we're all adults.
100%. So you might be wondering, like, what are the color difference? So this is tier 3, tier 2, and these black ones all the way down here, they're kind of expensive. This is tier 1. So you'll earn the most tokens with tier 1, you'll earn the second most tokens with the silver one, and you'll earn the third most with a bronze one. So it depending on what you want to do. I was lucky enough to get airdrop the black one, and then people were dumping them super cheap, so I picked up a couple more black ones, and I got some silvers and some bronze ones as well. So, but it's up to you. You guys can do whatever you want. But then once this opens, it'll go be on Fluid, and you'll come here, and then you'll stake it just like we staked them here, and you'll earn the FLDT token. So,
yep. And I think the only other update is really, so what to expect for the future of Fluid. Number one, I would say probably expect that these guys are constantly building because that's what they're doing. The next thing you maybe would expect from a, tech innovation product release would be the lending and borrowing being on Arch Network. You will most likely see these guys on our Arch Thursdays. We're not going to have it this week because of Thanksgiving, of course, tomorrow. But borrowing and lending on Bitcoin Layer 1 is kind of slow and clunky, but it's possible. It's obviously doable. They have their way of doing it, and Liquidium has their way of doing it. But on Arch, it's going to be fast. It's going to be really quick. So you're going to be able to have that kind of stable token, environment with borrowing and lending. So I think that's going to be exciting, and that's just another part of their arsenal, right? So we're talking about utility tokens because meme cycle is going to be here. It's going to be a super cycle, but it's going to go in and out. And they're definitely, since this is the cycle of regulation, friendly regulation, we expect friendly regulation to basically ignite these utility and true companies that come out of this space.
Yep, true DeFi is here, guys, and it's going to start with Fluid and Liquidium, and there's going to be so much more. But these guys that are front running right now, they're going to be the leaders over here, especially with the UTXO experience that Raul and his team have at Fluid. So, but that's our show today, guys. We hope you really enjoyed it. We hope you have an amazing weekend. But if you wouldn't mind checking out our website, go to ordinalrevolution.com with some of the best articles dating all the way back to last year. We have a VPN. If you need a NordVPN, we have a 70% off coupon. If you're going to Bitcoin Nashville, get your tickets this year. Don't wait till next year. It gets really expensive as demand comes, so you definitely want to check them out as soon as possible. And look for merch. Check out our merch store. We have some of the best merch in all of Ordinals. But guys, hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys on Monday.
Peace.
Ordinal Revolution. Let's go.